Alright, quick little how-to speedometer cable hookup. On most motorcycles that look like this happens to be a 1996 Ninja 1100. You know, I don't know what your bike looks like. This is kind of all I really need. So what you're going to do is remove your windscreen from the front of the bike. Like I said, I don't know what your motorcycle looks like. This is a 1996 Kawasaki Ninja ZX11 D4. So take the windscreen off. This little plate, bezel or whatever you call it, that surrounds the cluster, the instrument panel, you're going to have to remove because you want to get right behind the speedometer. It's another thing that pisses me off. I was at Hobby Lobby and some peckerheads stole my fucking caps. That's probably how they thought the mirrors came off. They were probably trying to steal the mirrors. Fucking idiots. If I'm not mistaken, there's these little plastic washers. Yeah, you don't want to lose those. And lo and behold, no speedometer cable. Now you can remove your front fairing. It'd make it a lot easier because you could just grab the wire. Unfortunately, I'm in a bit of a hurry, so fuck, almost broke that. I don't want to take all that shit off. It's probably going to be all crooked and off. Pull my slack up because you could see how it was real low earlier. And this thing is kind of got a little collar that sits up against there. And then that just threads around it. Get on there. Make sure it's straight, ready. Don't want to cross thread that. Get my hand in here a better way. So you get that finger game from. Then they squirt. You get that macaroni sound, and then they piss all over your bedroom. It's a long-winded motherfucker when you can't push up on it from both sides properly. But yeah, thread it up until it gets tight. there we go. Now, what you could do is, very gently, like with a pair of pliers, as not to screw it up. Be very careful. You could put some Loctite or fucking Teflon tape on it, and it shouldn't come loose. But like I said, I'm usually in a fucking hurry. Installation process, reverse of what you just did. There you go. Fucking speedometer hookup. Peace out, motherfucker.